What's going on, YouTube? I have a Kubota L2650 sitting here. It's a 1.4 liter 3-cylinder diesel. This tractor was sold to me on the level of scrap metal. The fuel cutoff lever goes right here. Okay. The back of the lever, when you move it, pivots backwards, and as you can see in the housing right here, it connects right here and pushes it backwards. Well, that's in the off position right now. Well, I took out this bolt, the non-tamper proof cap first, then took this bolt out, and I was able to make a small punch out of a drill bit and tap that fuel arm forward, which then gave the pump fuel. I didn't even bleed the injectors. It fired up in maybe 4 or 5 revolutions, and these injectors were all dry. So now my task is to work this shaft inside this pump back and forth and try to get it lubricated to where it'll want to return on its own to run, and then when you pull the lever right here, or the solenoid pulls it, it'll shut it off. So I'm trying to figure out now, can we get it free without rebuilding the pump? Hell yeah, brother. All right, boys, we had success. Got this moving free. And when I first had it freed up, moving it back and forth through that access port, I got it to start. I had it tapped about somewhere about right here, just to get some fuel flowing. And my throttle was actually kind of stuck. So I let it run just for about 10 seconds, get a good oil bath on it, kept working it back and forth, and sure enough, it came free. So if you bring this to Kubota, they're gonna tell you you need an injector pump without a doubt. That part, $800 to $900 plus labor. You're looking at a $1,500 repair, maybe $1,200 to $1,500 depending on your dealer. With that being said, this took 1 hour to fix. Now, start with your fuel filter, obviously, okay? Then go to your lift pump. Then from the lift pump, do you have fuel here? Okay, if you have fuel coming into here and it's pumping good, crack your injectors. Crack the injectors, no fuel, that's gonna be your problem. The fuel shutoff's gonna be stuck. This lever is gonna work. It's gonna move. But it only pushes, it doesn't pull back. So remember that. It's very deceiving because you think this is working great and it's actually stuck inside the pump housing. So overall, I'm really happy with this. This tractor was going to the scrapyard, 1,300 hours. I had almost identical 3-cylinder Kubota on a piece of equipment, and I got 15,000 hours out that engine. So I have no doubt, mechanically, there's a ton of life in this tractor. Now, with 1,300 hours, this filter, it's literally rusting, and this filter is probably original because it's still blue. So I'm not saying that it needs a little work, but overall, this was a pretty simple fix. So if this video helps you, please hit that like button, and thanks for watching.